Just as I was making the first video with the Acoustasonic guitar copy and moaning about not having workshop space or anywhere to do it, we cleared up the back garden and discovered that the back wall was looking very, very risky, an absolute danger in fact. No sooner had we uncovered it than disaster struck and it all fell down. The massive mess of ivy and bricks everywhere, and a huge great sycamore tree that seemed to have been pushing it all this time. Once we'd gone through the mounds and mounds of rubbish, cleared it up, got a new wall built and basically redone everything, cleared the garden, and digging out the sycamore is still haunting my every sleeping moment. I thought it would be a really good idea to use this space to make my own workshop. And what you're about to see now is all the steps as I went through building it, and hopefully we've got some footage as well of what it actually looks like inside at the moment. Not finished, but well on the way. I started by getting a huge amount of pallet wood from the East Midlands Wood Recycling Company, who've been amazing. I've put a link to them in the description here. I just want to say everything in the shed, in the workshop, has been totally reclaimed or upcycled. This is the workshop now. The roof isn't quite finished, it still needs a bit of work, but it's keeping the weather out. I managed to get the mahogany door and windows from a family that was getting a new conservatory fitted, which was really lucky. So the weather's caught up with me while I've been finishing this, and you can see here that I'm opening the door mechanism and it's working. It's not working as well as I would really have liked, but to be honest, as I say, keeping the thing weatherproof has been more of an issue. But yeah, it's working, and it gives me space to open up and feed material through should I need to. Does need a bit of adjustment though. So another great stroke of luck I've had. A colleague was having a kitchen fitted just as I was finishing off building the actual workshop, and had an awful lot of leftover cut-offs of the work surface and sort of sides and what have you. So I was able to use this with the leftover wood from the shed build to build a fairly rudimentary bench, and also a machine bench, which I'll explain a bit more later. Again, this is not finished by a long shot, but it's on the way. I've also been collecting up as many old tools as I can, which bit by bit I'll restore, and one of my next jobs will be to make videos of these things as I do restore them. I know they're a rusty mess now, but I'm really looking forward to getting them all restored and back in pristine condition. I built this bench with a mount to take my table saw on one side and my router on the other. I then inlaid T-track on it so that I can move a fence up and down it. I can also fit, with clamps on the T-track, other power tools like my bandsaw. I had lots of fun making a mechanism to raise and lower the router bit from outside the table with my drill and a socket. The bandsaw was second hand and came missing a load of pieces, including the bed, which I made out of spare Formica and T-track. So I've spent a lot of time making the workshop and building it all up. It took a sizable portion of summer, and yeah, an awful lot of work went into it, and it's nowhere near finished yet, but I thought it might be nice just to show everybody what it looks like and keep a record of it for posterity.